Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are going to solve this radical problem. This is square root of x plus x equals 2. We are solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, what we can do is to isolate this square root of x here. I need to isolate it. I will move this x over here. So I'm going to have square root of x equals 2 minus x. So right from here, I will take the squares output part of this equation. So this cancel this. I have x here equals, for this, I'll have 2 minus x times 2 minus x. So what I'm going to do again will be to expand this. I have x equals 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times minus x, minus 2x minus x times 2, minus 2x minus x times minus x, plus x squared. From here, I have x equals 4, minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus x squared. I can decide to move this over here. This becomes 0. So this equals 4 minus 4x plus x squared. This is minus x. So from here, I have 0 equals 4 minus 4x minus x, that is minus 5x plus x squared. So let's rearrange this. I will have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for values of x. So let's solve this using the formula method. We have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Now, the equation of x squared here is 1, that is our a. The equation of x here is negative 5, that is my b. And 4 is my c. Let me insert them right here into this formula. I'll have x equals negative b, negative times negative 5, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 5 to the power of 2, minus 4 times 1 times 4. This is divided by 2 times 1. That's 2 times a. From here, I have x equals, this is 5, plus or minus square root of, this is 25 minus 16, divided by 2. That's 2 times 1. So from here, I have x equals 5, plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16, we are simply going to have 9, right? So this will give you 9. 25 minus 10 is 15. So this will give you 9. And this is divided by 2. Now the next thing you are going to do is to find the square root of 9. So we have x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 9 here is 3. And this is divided by 2. So you have two values for x. You have x equals 5 plus 3 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So from here, x equals 5 plus 3, that is 8 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3, that is 2 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 8 divided by 2, 4, or 2 divided by 2, that is 4. Now, that is one way of solving this exponential problem. We can also solve this using the method of factorization. Look at it here. We have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. To factorize this, you need two numbers that if you add, you have negative 5, and if you multiply, you have 4. The two numbers are negative 4 and negative 1. Negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. So those are the two numbers. So we have x squared. Instead of writing this 5x, we are going to, or negative 5x, we are going to replace it with these two numbers. Negative 4x minus x. This minus x is because this one here, the coefficient is 1. So it's just like having negative 1x, which is the same thing as having negative x, right? And plus 4 equals 0. So from here, x squared minus 4x, negative 1x plus 4. We can factor x from here, or you can even group them. So if you factor x from here, you have x times x squared divided by x, that is x minus 4, x divided by x, that is 4. This will be minus 1 times x divided by this will be x. 4 divided by negative on this minus 4 equals 0. Because if you multiply this out, you definitely have this. Negative 1 times x, negative 1 times 4, positive 4. So this bracket and this bracket are the same. We can pick just one of it. And the x and the minus 1, we combine it again. This equals 0. So right now we can equate each of these to 0. You have x minus 4 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0 means x equals 4 because we move this over here. That's your x1. And this means move this over here. That is x equals 1. This is my x2. It's same answer, just like what we had here. So guys, this is it. Now what you can do again is to check. Let's check if these two values will satisfy the equation. X equals 4 and 1. Now, if you start with 4, remember square root of x plus x equals 2. If x equals 4 means square root of 4 plus 4 is this 2. Now, square root of 4 is 2 plus 4 is this 2. 2 plus 4, this is 6, and this is not 2. So that means this actually does not satisfy the equation. So let's consider when x equals 1. When x equals 1, we simply have square root of x plus x equals 2. And this time around, our x equals 1. Now, what you are going to do between set 1 for x here, we have square root of 1 plus 1 equals 2. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 1 plus 1 is 2, and this equals 2. So this means that the only correct option here is when x equals 1, and that is the one that satisfies this equation, guys. So this is how you can solve this radical problem and find out all the values of x. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.